Hi, Winona fam. This is a tutorial of your homepage if you have registered recently with us and you are now a member of the Winona community and you're going to be receiving treatment from us. You will have created an account and you would be able to log in. And I just want to show you around so you'll know what we have to offer you in terms of information about menopause and information about your particular treatment, any consultation information you might need or be looking for from your doctor. So the basics are over here on the right. This is where your name would be, and this is your account information, your medical information. You can update that over here. Billing, address, medical information. If you need to attach anything, there's places in here for you to do that. As you can see, it will immediately, if you hover over this too long, it will log you right on in. So this sheet is full of questions that you have likely filled out, and it would be saved to your profile. If you ever need to change that, you can. So back here on the home button is sort of, again, your landing page. So here you're going to see anything new that we're offering. Right now we have a product called Blossom that we're going to be offering people. If you're interested, you can read it, order it, have a consult with your physician about it to see if it's for you. On this homepage, you'll see sort of this little navigation bar. If you go down here to what's next, you'll see the timeline from your first free visit to getting your treatment approved from your physician, receiving it, and then knowing when your package is shipped. It will also give you notifications when you need to check in with your doctor. So it gives you a timeline here. If you're ever confused about when, you can just come to your homepage, log in, and it will show you. The other benefits of this homepage are that you have a lot of tools here to help you. And help looks different to everybody. So some people maybe just need to ask a question. So you can message your provider by going here to message provider to the arrow. And down here, you'll see it says write messages. There's a little paper clip here. You can ask your questions, attach documents. That's how you handle that. Once you ask your questions, if you still need support, you can click on Support Center. Support Center is great because you can search for information. There's a lot of information available to you on our website. We have blogs that are written by physicians and by our team that will support you and hopefully answer a lot of questions you might have. So think of it as sort of your first step before reaching out to ask specific questions to physicians. Sometimes the general information you might be looking for can be found right here on our site. So if you go to, you can certainly type in up here, search for articles. If you have specific questions about menopause and bone health or heart issues or anything that you might be experiencing, hot flashes, you can type it in. An article will likely come up. If you're looking for something specific and you don't see it, certainly message your physician or ask for a consult if there's something you have questions about. If you're curious to know what Blossom is and you want to know what that is, what it does, you can also reach out to your physician. In addition to that, you also have this Facebook community that exists by joining our Winona Women's Facebook group. You just have to request to be part of the group because it's not open to the public. So you do have to just request to join, but we will accept you if you request it. You can also sign up for our monthly Q&A. We have a webinar that's hosted by Dr. Green, typically once a month. If you sign up, you can pop on live to our webinar and ask your questions. They will be answered by a physician, and that's a really helpful tool. So here is, if you click on that, you can go to register now. You'll see that we have one coming up soon. If you go to register now, you would just click on it. It would ask you to put in your email address. It tells you when the next one is. You register, and once you do that, it will send you an access link so that you'll be able to join us. So that's a really nice benefit as well. Just like I mentioned before, there's a lot of articles here, so you can read through our blog, hopefully get a lot of answers that you have to questions, and if not, you can reach out to your physician. If you have questions about your treatment plan, you can always go to the treatment tab. You'll see here under orders, this is where anything that you're currently taking or that your doctor's reviewing would be. messages, you can also message directly from this tab. And then if you want to share Winona with anybody, you can also click on the share tab and it will share our site with somebody and any information that, and the benefit is if you do share it, you get a discount. So that's nice. And so do they. So please feel free to refer your friends if this is something that's been positive for you and it works for you and you feel motivated to do so. Beyond that, if you have additional questions about how to access your account, you can always reach out to our customer service team and someone would be happy to help. Thanks.